I am Muslim ibn Aqil, the cousin of Imam Hussein, but more importantly, I was trusted by him. When thousands of letters arrived from Kufa asking Imam Hussein to come, he sent me ahead as his representative. At first, the people welcomed me. They promised support. They promised loyalty. But when fear entered their hearts, the crowds disappeared. One night, I walked through the streets of Kufa completely alone. The same city that once claimed to stand with truth had abandoned me. But even alone, I did not abandon Imam Hussein, because loyalty to truth is not measured by numbers. Remember me as the lonely